In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable online status visibility in Microsoft Outlook, a feature that can be particularly handy in a professional setting for improving communication efficiency. Sometimes, knowing whether a colleague is available before reaching out can save a lot of time and streamline the workflow. So let's walk through the simple steps to get this set up. First, we need to start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. This is the desktop application, not the web version, so make sure you've got that open and ready to go. It's always a good idea to make sure your application is up to date, as settings and options can sometimes shift around with new updates. Once you've got Outlook open, we need to navigate to the File button. You'll find this in the top left corner of your Outlook screen. Clicking here is like opening a door to a suite of options, all aimed at customizing and enhancing your Outlook experience. Within the File menu, you'll want to look for Options. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new window with a sidebar full of categories, each offering various settings you can tweak as per your needs. From here, your focus will shift to the People category. Click on People, and you'll be directed to an area where you can adjust a variety of settings related to how contacts and statuses are displayed. Here is where the magic happens. In the People settings, please look for an option labeled Display Online Status next to Name. This is the critical setting that allows you to see whether someone is available, busy, or away, right next to their name in your contacts list or email threads. If this option isn't already checked, just click to check the box. This ensures that from now on, you'll be able to smoothly gauge the availability of your colleagues at a glance, directly in your Outlook interface. Once you've made sure this setting is enabled, you can simply exit out of the options window. Don't worry about needing to save your changes manually. Microsoft Outlook usually takes care of that for you, ensuring that your new settings are applied automatically. Just returning to your main Outlook window is enough to lock everything into place. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled the display of online status next to the names in Outlook. This seemingly small adjustment can make a big difference in how efficiently you can manage communications throughout your day. Use this feature to quickly acknowledge when it's the best time to contact someone or to show a bit of patience if someone looks busy. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this little trick helps make your daily interactions just a little smoother.